Hello everybody, in this course you will learn how to send and get files via using FTP protocol. I will examine the FTP in two parts. First, upload configuration file to the device flash with FTP. Second, download configuration file from device. Let's start. First, I'm creating new file, which I will keep my Python scripts and also one Python file, which name is FTP. We will write our code here. And one text file, and I will use some of the configurations and I will upload this configuration to the router, and I'm opening the router which we will use for the FTP protocol, and also I will bind my laptop adapter to this router to be reached. And I'm making physical connections. I will use 192.168.2.150 IP addresses for router. As you see that now it's not pingable because I didn't give IP address. I will connect interface gigabit Ethernet 000 and I'm giving IP address. Now it's pingable. Now we can reach router via using my laptop. And now also I have to make FTP configuration. I'm defining username and password and also open FTP server from the device. And I have to show FTP directory flash for the device directory. As you see that now there is 4 files in the directory. And first we have to import FTP library and import OS and import time. First, defining FTP conditional information such as IP address, FTP username, and FTP password. And I want to print welcome if FTP connection is successful, and also FTP directory which we want to log in. And first of all, I want to upload our config.txt file, which includes some device configuration. It will only read this file, no need to write. Yes, it will store our configuration text file in the binary mode. And OS path base name we have to define. And also new config text file. So after upload this our config text file, it will give rename, which name is new config text file. We will see this name in the directory of the device flash. Yes, as you see that now we can see our new config text file in the device. We already uploaded. Now I'm defining one function which name is graph file, and our file name new config text file. Also I want to download this file to our PyCharm local, and it will open this file with write mode. and give some time slip. And retrieve this file, which name is new config.txt file, and it will write it. And finally, we have to quit from the FTP, and local file also need to close and close our function. Let me go. As you see that we already upload our new config file, and also as you see that we already download file configuration files. Thanks for watching.